I think if there was anything that I wanted to communicate to everybody, it's this simple mental model to begin with, right? So why I started using this tool was because when I initially audited myself, I realized that I was using all these other tools. Dia browser could actually help me get rid of and just start consolidating into just Dia browser, right? So say, for example, if you've been using ChatGPT, if we took a look at our stack pyramid here, we might notice that I would have had chatgpt.com maybe high up here, right? And then a conscious stack practitioner could then actually use their own personal professional experience to be like, hey, I notice you're using ChatGPT. Did you know that you could actually just use something like Dia browser, where you take care of the browsing, but you could also have the chat function straight inside the browser? Because that simple switch or integration reduces the cognitive tax for the user, right? And this is where it gets super powerful, because each thing that you do that reduces cognitive tax is opening up slots in our minds for other things. But the 9 slots, right? If you took out all these tools and replaced tools with anything in your life, you could start applying this simple like 9-slot pyramid to anything, right? And so what I'm doing is I'm using software language to describe anything in the world as a way to just create that structure, because it is training our mind to also deal with the fact everything is becoming digitized, tokenized, turned into software or apps because of AI, and it's accelerating, okay? I think if there was anything that I wanted to communicate to everybody, it's this simple mental model to begin with, right? We can use technology to do all this other stuff in the background. During this transition phase that we're all going through with AI, I want to help people protect their minds in a way that they know what to do with the tools or applications that are coming in, and for all the future technologies that will be coming in the future. Hopefully you will see over time how this simple mental model will actually start to rejig things in your mind and also prepare for what's coming.